Superfood for babies above 6 months. 6 months old is a time to wean your baby onto solids. This is an exciting time for your baby as they learn to try new tastes, textures and even colors of food. How to know that baby is ready for solid foods. Firstly, baby's head and neck are stable. Secondly, baby has doubled their birth weight. Thirdly, baby is able to sit on a chair with back support. Fourthly, baby is still hungry after feeding milk. And baby turns head away when full. Precautions while giving solids. Always start with pureed food. Secondly, follow 3 days weight rule. Always keep gap of 3 days between 2 new foods. Thirdly, do not add sugar, salt or honey to baby's food. Fourthly, don't add breast milk or formula milk while cooking. Fifth precaution is always introduce new food during breakfast or lunch. New eaters only need about 1 to 2 tablespoons of a food, so keep portions small. Here are top foods to give to 6-month-old baby. First food is banana. Bananas are rich in potassium, vitamin C, B, and fiber. When serving bananas to young babies, make sure they are ripe and thoroughly mashed. Second one is avocado. Avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats and great food for baby's brain and physical development. Simply mash a ripe avocado with a little breast milk until it reaches a pureed consistency. Third is sweet potato. Sweet potato are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A, which helps to have good vision, healthy skin, normal growth and protection from infections. Fourth one is carrot. Carrots are great foods to introduce to babies because of their naturally sweet taste. Carrots provides a rich supply of the antioxidant beta-carotene and vitamin A. Fifth one is apple. Apple puree is very easy to digest, so it makes great baby food. Pectin, the soluble fiber in apple, helps to fight against constipation. Sixth food is potato. Potatoes are a good source of potassium and vitamin C. Boil and peel the potatoes and mash them. To make it creamier, we could add breast milk or formula. Seventh food is rice. Rice should be the first cereal you should introduce because it does not contain gluten, a protein found in wheat, oats, and barley that can cause food allergy if introduced before 6 months. Eighth one is legumes. Legumes are extremely healthy and can be very filling for the baby's stomach. Cook these legumes to make a puree according to the desired consistency. Ninth one is pumpkin. Pumpkin is known for its anti-allergic properties and rich taste. Pumpkin is also a storehouse of vitamin A, which is an essential nutrient for eye health.
Thank you and please subscribe.